10 Best Foods High in Pantothenic Acid, B5. Pantothenic acid, also called vitamin B5, is an essential nutrient that helps the body produce energy and supports normal body functions. It plays a role in metabolism, hormone production, and maintaining healthy skin. Because the body does not store much vitamin B5, eating foods rich in this nutrient is important. Many common foods contain pantothenic acid, making it easy to include in a balanced diet. Here are the best foods high in pantothenic acid, B5, that can help improve your daily nutrition. 1. Chicken liver. Chicken liver is one of the highest sources of vitamin B5. It is also rich in protein, iron, and other important vitamins. Eating it in moderation can support overall health. 2. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a simple snack packed with pantothenic acid. They also contain healthy fats, magnesium, and antioxidants that support the body. 3. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a good plant-based source of vitamin B5. They are easy to add to soups, salads, and cooked meals. 4. Avocado. Avocado contains vitamin B5, fiber, and healthy fats. This nutritious fruit can help make meals more filling and balanced. 5. Eggs. Eggs are a convenient food that provides pantothenic acid and high-quality protein. They are easy to prepare and suitable for many diets. 6. Salmon. Salmon is a nutrient-rich fish that contains vitamin B5 and omega-3 fatty acids. It supports a healthy diet with beneficial fats and protein. 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes provide vitamin B5, fiber, and antioxidants. They are a healthy carbohydrate option for everyday meals. 8. Beef. Beef contains pantothenic acid along with iron, zinc, and protein. Lean cuts can be included as part of a balanced eating plan. 9. Yogurt. Yogurt offers vitamin B5 and probiotics that support digestive health. It is a simple choice for breakfast or snacks. 10. Lentils. Lentils are an affordable source of vitamin B5, fiber, and plant protein. They are great for soups, stews, and healthy meals. Including foods rich in vitamin B5 can help support energy production and overall wellness. The best foods high in pantothenic acid, B5, include both animal and plant sources, giving you many healthy choices. A varied diet with nutrient-rich foods is a simple way to maintain good nutrition. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.